Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. We want to start off by always congratulating our new homeowners. So big congratulations to Eli and Alfredo. Also Aurora and Jose, congratulations, both got keys last week. We also want to let you know about some new properties that we're having come to market. So if you or maybe someone that you know is interested in this really tight inventory market, that you maybe share this. So we have one in Downey that's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, Northeast Downey, 2,000 square feet, priced at $800. We also have one in East Whittier, a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, that should be priced at $675. We have one in the city of Bell, one in Spyglass that's also coming. So if you know of, again, anyone that's interested, or maybe you're yourself, or maybe thinking about upgrading, most of these properties are a little bit bigger, around 2,000 square feet. So if it's you that's thinking about, hey, is it time to sell maybe my condo or home to be able to buy something a little bit bigger, this is definitely a great opportunity to do so. We also want to let you know that we do have a home buyer workshop, one scheduled for Thursday, the 25th. So if you're interested, be today, that is. And then we also have our ADU workshop, which is building wealth through ADU. So with that being said, again, congratulations to the families that are getting keys. We got, I think, 1 or 2 families that got their offer accepted as well. So we'll hopefully be announcing them as their escrow process continues. And again, if you're interested in selling or buying, we love the opportunity to help you in that adventure. All the best, and we'll see you guys soon.